Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to change the background of your login screen on Ubuntu. So as you can see, this purple looks really boring and simple. So we'll be changing that today. So first, let's log into our computer. And before I show you how to change the background of your login screen, I'll show you how to add a blur effect to your lock screen, because a lot of people have been asking that. So to do this, you can head over to your favorite web browser, Chrome or Firefox, and go to the GNOME extension page. Over here, you want to install the Control Blur Effect on Lock Screen extension. You can go into its setting and adjust the sigma or brightness. I've set mine to 25 and 0.55. Once you have set it, you can lock. And you can see that our blur effect has been adjusted and it looks pretty good. So now I will show you how to change the background of your login screen. So to change the background, you want to head over to this GitHub page and simply copy this script and paste it into the terminal. Once you have done that, you can see that we have downloaded this script right here, which is called Ubuntu GDM set background. So now what you can do is you can set your background using a command. I'll provide this in the description as well, but it is sudo // and then -- image, and now you want to write the path to your image. So for example, let's say your image was in the pictures folder inside the wallpapers folder, and over here, let's say I wanted wallpaper 7. So what you can do is go into the properties and copy the path of the file. Once you have copied it, paste it into the terminal and make sure to include the name of the file at the end. So mine is called wallpaper 7, and hit enter. Enter your password, and as you can see, background changes successful. So now let's log out and see how it looks like. So as you can see, this looks really beautiful, but there is one problem. This clear part doesn't look as great because the text is hard to see and this not listed is hard to see as well. So let's log in. And what we can do is add a blur effect to our image. To do this, you can just go on Google and search up any online blur website. So online blur Pine Tools. I usually use Pine Tools. Just choose the file. And then select the type of blurring effect. I'll leave it to stack blur and change the radius. Hit blur. And as you can see, our image has been blurred, and you can simply download it. Once it has downloaded, open up the terminal and hit the up arrow key to bring up the previous command, but this time just change the name of the file at the end. So this time we called it blurred image.png. Hit enter and enter your sudo password, and background change is successful. Now let's log out. And as you can see, now it looks a lot better and you can actually see the text clearly. So that is how you set a background image on your login screen. There's also one more thing I want to show you. So if you go over to the GitHub page of the script, you can see that there's a readme file, and inside the readme file you can actually set a horizontal gradient and a vertical gradient. To do this, you have to copy this command. So for example, gradient horizontal, copy this command into your terminal, and you need to change the color codes to what you want. And to get good gradients, you can head over to this website and simply select a gradient over here. For example, let's select this one. So let's copy the first code, delete everything before the hashtag and paste in your code, and same thing with the second code. Hit enter, enter your sudo password, and you can see background change is successful. Now let's log out and see how it looks like. So you can see that the gradient has been applied. You can also do 3 different color codes if you wish, and make sure to select a good gradient. Our one was horizontal, but you can also select vertical if you want. Just change the command in the terminal and select a gradient which actually makes the text look good, because in this you can see that not listed doesn't look as great on the orangish background. But yeah, that's pretty much how you set a background image and gradient on your login screen on Ubuntu. Thank you and have a good day.